Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to talk about chapter 5, that is the coastal plains and the islands of India. First I will talk about the coastal plains. Children, do you know what is coast? A coast is a land beside or near the sea or ocean. You can see in the map, India has a beautiful coastline that stretches all around the Indian peninsula. The length of Indian coastline is about 7,000 kilometers. On the west, we have the western coastal plains, and in the east, we have the eastern coastal plains. You know, the Indian coastline is divided into two parts. The first part is called the western coastal plains, and the second part is called eastern coastal plains. Western coastal plains are again divided into three parts. First part is called Gujarat coast, second part is called Konkan coast, and the third part is called Malabar coast. Eastern coastal plains are divided into two parts, that is northern circles in the north and Coromandel coast in the south. Western coastal plains lie between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. As you can see in the map, they begin in Gujarat and go southwards through the western parts of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala. They end in Kanyakumari. These plains are broader in Gujarat but become narrower in South India. How is the climate in western coastal plain? The climate is very hot and humid throughout the year. Why is it hot and humid? Because the region receives heavy rainfall during the summer monsoons. What kind of crops are grown in western coastal plains? Crops such as coconut, cashew nut, groundnut, rice, sugarcane, and tobacco are grown here. People also catch fish for their living. Now we will talk about important ports, cities, and towns in western coastal plains. Some of the important ports, cities, and towns in western coastal plains are Kandla, Ahmedabad, Panaji, Marmagoa, Mumbai, Kochi, Kozhikode, and Thiruvananthapuram. Now let's talk about the eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. They begin from West Bengal and pass through Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. They also end at Kanyakumari like western coastal plains. They are wider than western coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains are again divided into two parts. First part is called Northern Circus, which is the northern part of the eastern coastal plain, and the second part is called Coromandel Coast, which is the southern part of the eastern coastal plains. How is the climate in eastern coastal plains? Like western coastal plains, climate is cool in winters but remains hot and humid for the rest of the year. The northern part of the eastern coastal plains receive rain during the monsoon but not as much as the western coastal plains. Southern part of this region is the only region that receives rainfall during the winter. What kind of crops are grown in eastern coastal plains? The region is very fertile with plenty of water available for growing rice and sugarcane. Other crops such as coconut, cotton, jute are also grown here. Which are the important ports in the eastern coastal plains? Some important ports in eastern coastal plains are Paradip, Vishakhapatnam, which has a big shipbuilding yard, Chennai. With this, we come to the end of this chapter. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.